I love using Kum Kee sauces in my cooking. They deliver maximum flavour with minimal effort. In this series, I want to show you exactly when and how to use them to create exciting flavours in easy everyday dishes. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 awesome dishes that use seasoned rice vinegar to supercharge their flavour. Seasoned rice vinegar is an amazing ingredient that can be used in a huge variety of dishes. It's made with Zhenjiang black rice vinegar and adds a savoury sweet and sour note to any dish. Perfect for making the classic hot and sour soup. To some boiling water, add some vegetable stock, sliced veggies, assorted mushrooms and tofu. Then season with premium light soy sauce, chu chow chili oil and a generous amount of seasoned rice vinegar. Thicken with a little cornstarch and it's ready. To me, this is a warming bowl of comfort. Seasoned rice vinegar is perfect for making dressings. I love to layer fresh smoked salmon onto a salad and combine some oil, premium light soy sauce and seasoned rice vinegar. Then drizzle all over the top. It really brings the dish to life. For another really easy dressing, just combine some honey, French mustard, premium light soy sauce, seasoned rice vinegar and oil. Pour it on top of breaded fish and fresh salad. I like to serve a little on the side for some extra dipping. So there it is, 3 easy ways to use seasoned rice vinegar in your dishes. Let me know in the comments how you like to use it in your cooking, and make sure you check out the rest of the Sauce Masterclass for more recipe ideas.